The Other Side of Miyamoto Musashi. Miyamoto Musashi, founder of Niten Ichiryu, legendary master swordsman. Records say he fought about 60 duels and never lost. His name became a symbol of skill and strategy. But Musashi was also a painter. His famous work, Koboku Meigekizu, captures a quiet moment of a shrike on bare branches. The piece is highly regarded in the art world and shows his refined sense of form, balance, and atmosphere. He also depicted other birds like crows, herons, and gamecocks, revealing an unexpected artistic side. More than a duelist, Musashi lived between war and art. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for real Japanese history in English.